All right, let's talk about sweet marjoram. First of all, know that this is one of those plants that the name is important. The Latin is important for you to know because there's a lot of confusion between all of the different varieties of oreganum, some which we call marjoram and some which we call oregano. And I've talked about this a little bit in previous videos. So this one is the oreganum majorana. This essential oil is so unique because it possesses a lot of really strong antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties on one hand, but on the other hand, it also has a lot of support for us emotionally when it comes to stressed emotions, low emotions, grief, letting go. And one of my teachers, Gabriel Moje, says this is one of the unique essential oils that has the ability to both strengthen and also relax at the same time. This sweet marjoram has at the beginning quite a bit of like medicinal notes to it. It smells, I mean, you can tell it's something that is that has a lot of antibacterial, antifungal sort of abilities. It has some of those like high, strong notes, almost like a eucalyptus does. But then after that, you start getting sense of something that smells more like lavender, surprisingly, and that is because there is a fair amount of linalool in sweet marjoram. So I have actually used sweet marjoram for balancing out the body when it comes to the chi being sort of disorganized and feeling agitated and stressed. And I have found it so surprisingly beneficial for that, that is typically what I would use this for. And you can put this in your diffuser and you can use it in your aromatru diffuser, lock it in there and you're good to go. Blend it if you have sick people in your house with some of the other antimicrobial oils like eucalyptus, or if you're looking to help to support emotional states, you could also just use this on its own or blend it with something like frankincense, something like geranium. You might end up with a lot of different combinations that are sort of interesting, but you might find that even though the scent is sort of hard to describe, that you notice suddenly your emotions are uplifted in a way that you might not have otherwise noticed. So a very unique oil, and I definitely recommend that you check this out. Again, all of these oils that I'm reviewing this week are on sale along with this amazing waterless diffuser that I love so much on the spring sale through aromatru, and you can find the information on that right here.